Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Ally Bank through external transfer easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing funds from your Ally Bank account through an external transfer, first, log into your Ally Bank account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the transfer option located in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select External Transfers. You will now need to add your external bank account if you haven't done so already. Click on the option to add external account. Enter the required details for the external bank account, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. After entering the information, you may need to verify your ownership of the external account. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verification is complete, return to the External Transfers section. Select your Ally Bank account as the source for the withdrawal. Next, choose the external account to which you want to transfer the funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Carefully review all the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Submit to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation of the transfer, along with an estimated time for when the funds will be available in your external account. Keep an eye on your external bank account for the incoming transfer. If you encounter any issues, refer to Ally Bank's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.